Hi guys, Mike here from SAE. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shut down and restart a Fronius Primo or Symo snap inverter. Okay, step one, you want to turn off the AC isolator. This will be mounted next to the inverter or in the switchboard. Step two, we come underneath the inverter to the PV array DC isolator. Turn that guy off. The inverter will now shut down. You see the screen gone blank and we wait for 5 minutes. Now that we've waited 5 minutes, we want to turn the inverter back on. We come underneath the inverter and turn on the PV array DC isolator. Come back to the inverter AC isolator and turn that on. Now you'll see the screen light up and the inverter will go through a series of checks and tests before it energizes. Then you'll see the kilowatt readings on the screen and your inverter has restarted and is ready to go. And that's how you do a shutdown and restart on a Fronius Primo or Symo snap inverter.